Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust by yourself. To begin your solo journey, select a server with fewer players to reduce early game pressure. Your first priority is to gather enough resources for basic tools and a small, secure starter base. Remember, stealth is your best friend. Avoid large groups and unnecessary confrontations. Focus on efficiently collecting wood, stone, and metal to craft essential items for survival and defense. Once you have your initial resources, construct a compact 1x2 or 2x2 base. This small footprint makes it less noticeable and easier to defend. Crucially, place a sleeping bag and a tool cupboard inside to claim your territory and respawn. Work quickly to upgrade your base to stone, significantly increasing its durability. Craft a bow and at least 30 arrows for basic defense against both wildlife and potential threats. As you progress, cautiously explore monuments to acquire better loot and components. Prioritize researching blueprints for advanced weapons, stronger armor, and improved base defenses at a research table. To mitigate losses, create small, hidden stashes near your main base for emergency supplies. You might also consider building a small, separate farming base to passively gather resources like sulfur or metal ore, reducing your exposure. For long-term solo survival, consistently maintain your base's upkeep by feeding resources into your tool cupboard. Always be aware of your surroundings and learn to identify and avoid large, aggressive player groups. Implement traps and external defenses, such as shotgun traps or barbed wire, to deter potential raiders. Focus on efficient, consistent resource runs and smart inventory management to ensure you always have what you need to thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.